Hello class, we're going to update our table of contents. Go ahead and update with unit self-assessment on page 39 and heredity and genetics, that's going to be the cover sheet on page 40. We're going to go ahead and add our table of contents labels for our notes as well, even though that is going to be a separate video. The video has inaccurate page numbers, so I want to get that straight before you start. So you'll also need heredity notes, which you will see a video on Teams for that, and that's on page 41. And then there's a free choice output. On page 42. So go ahead and take a moment. You can pause the video if you need to and finish writing that down. I'm going to go ahead and jump to page 39. So from here, I'm going to glue, oops, wrong order, my unit self-assessment down on the left side and the heredity and genetics cover sheet on the right side. Okay, I'm gonna have to let you know the test date later. I have 2 dates in mind, but I need to see how the timing works out first. I'm gonna update the top portion and then you can fill in the rest of it. Okay, so the unit that this is covering is you're evaluating how you did on the cell division unit here. So the unit is called cell division. And that was from page 35 to 38. You're gonna put today's date, which is either 4/1/21 or 4/2/21 if you are D block or A block. Number of assignments, there should be 4, and I'm gonna count through those. So this counts as 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you have all 4 that you're supposed to have, you put the number 4 here. Anything less, you would write the correct number. And you're going to go through each column to decide what grade to give yourself. Outputs and corrections, completion and order, effort, content demonstrates understanding, and table of contents. If all perfect scores, you get all 2s, you add those up, and that number is going to go down here out of 10, which is going to be 100%. You might also give yourself 1 or 0 down here. Please be honest with your grades. This first question you need to answer: which assignment are you most proud of from this unit and why? But the second one is optional, as always. Okay. Pause the video, rewind, whatever you need to do. This, again, will come back and write in the test date. You're about to take some notes online. The video is going to look different. It has drawn out boxes instead of actually using paper. The drawn out boxes just represent paper, and you will follow the instructions on the video. And the video was filmed last year, so it's a little fancier than they are this year. Don't be alarmed, it's still me talking.